September 2022, we have Kaarnapolku forest legacy here. It's here in Jamppa, Järvenpää, Kenda, Helski's forest region, modernized Finland. It was built in 1974, modernized in 2005. It turned 45 years old in 2019, and Brosage turned 15 years old in 2020, and most likely was modernized in the beginning of 2005, because this was built in 1974. It's a Brosage 31165, and it will be inspected in the next year, 2023. Unnecessary doors, but it's because they renewed the doors on the ground floor.
Yeah.
It's part of that very typical modernization in Finland from that time.
Yeah.
From around the early 2000s, when they did it with the auto pictures.
Yeah. Unfortunately, stainless steel cap.
Unfortunately, yeah. Could have put at least some sort of turquoise walls here.
Yeah.
Something more interesting than that. Like the same color as the door.
Yes.
Because in 2005 they put the new surface on the door here.
Yeah.
They used the same color in the cab.
Yeah.
Because probably was that color originally here. In the cab.
Yeah.
But maybe it was some sort. Maybe these walls were like some sort of standard walls.
Yeah.
And they didn't care about changing them. This is very common, like in a lot of these modernizers I've seen.
Yeah.
In Vaasa also.
Yeah, too common.
Yes. It's just because they didn't care about changing the standard settings.
Inspected by Sabian, maintained by Kone. That's
That's it.